This is the ExtraStar video for our digital timer. First of all, when you get this product, you're going to want to plug it into a plug and leave it for approximately 10 minutes so it can charge its data backup memory. To set the time on our timer, you go to clock by pressing the up or down arrows. As you can see, it changes on screen which menu you're on at each time. So you move down to clock and you hold down set for 2 seconds. Then you can see the day of the week flashing. Then you can use the up and down arrows to change the day of the week and press set to move on to the hour. Then you can set the time by the hour by moving the up and down arrows. Pressing set to move on to minutes, and then the up or down arrows to move through minutes, and then finally press set to set the adjustment. You can also change the time format from 12 hours to 24 hours and back and forth by holding down set and CD. The digital timer has got 3 functions, including program, random and countdown. If we press the up and down arrows, you can cycle through the options on the device, and you can see now that we're in program. You can have up to 10 programs set on this device. To set a program, you just go to the program, flick through to the program menu. I'm going to go down to program 1 and then hold down set. Now you can see the day of the week flashing, and it gives you quite a few options when it comes to day of week. You can select a day of the week. It will scroll through for certain days, just the start of the week, the odd day, the whole week through to Saturday, the weekend, and the weekdays. Or you can just set an individual day. Then you can set the time, just like before with the clock. Back to the minutes, and then holding down set. Now that was the settings to turn it on. Now if you just cycle through to off, you can edit the settings of when it will turn off, just like before. You can set up to 10 different programs in that manner. Now, as I mentioned before, there is a random option on the device. This basically means that the device will turn off randomly between 6 PM and 8 AM for approximately 10 minutes to 30 minutes. If you wanted to set the random option, you just pressed the random button and you can see the R come up there. And if you wanted to turn it off, you just press the random button again and it goes away. There's also a countdown function, which means that whatever's plugged into the device will turn off after the countdown has finished. To get to the countdown option, you need to press the down or up buttons to cycle through to CD. This is for countdown. Then you can press set, and now you get the option for off or on. This basically means the device that's plugged into the plug will be on for the duration of the countdown. Next, you can press set to set the hour, set again to set the minute, set again to set the seconds, and then set to fix them settings. If we wanted to power the product that's plugged into the timer, we could just press manual. As you can see down here, it's set to auto. which means that any programs that are running will be running in the background. And if you wanted to set the plug on, all you have to do is press manual and it will change to on. Then to make sure that your programs resume after you've finished, press back to manual and it will go to auto. I do hope this video has helped you set up